Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to thread our eyebrows at home. I did a full growth of my eyebrows for this particular video. Okay, we need a few things like a threading thread, of course, and a plucker or tweezer. That's it, just two things. Before we get started, we need the right measurement of the thread. So you take one end of the thread in between your fingers and take it as long as it reaches your elbow point, and then you break it from there. Now you tie both ends into a knot like this and you form one big loop of the thread. Next you twist the thread or the loop from the middle so that two loops are formed and you can move both loops simultaneously, and this is how the threading mechanism works. Alright, now threading eyebrows could be a little tactful, so it's better to start off with threading a flat surface like your forehead. So you move the thread in the opposite direction of your hair growth. For example, for your right eyebrow, you move the thread from the right towards the left. You've got to be very careful while your hair gets plucked because the skin around your eyebrows is pretty sensitive and loose. A pro tip is you can even draw and shape your eyebrows with a pencil before threading. It might help create a good shape. Don't forget to pluck or thread the hair from under and over your eyebrows. Okay, if you tend to catch a chunk of hair in your thread, stop moving the thread, then release the hair and then resume threading. We only want to pluck the unwanted hair. Now I'll take a plucker and pluck out hair from places where you can't thread easily or wherever the skin is loose or delicate. Then I thread little hairs from the center. That gives me a clean look and gives a good shape to my eyebrows. Okay, let's do the other eyebrow, and for the aesthetics of this video, I'm going to draw my eyebrows. Ta-da! Tell me guys how I'ma slay these brows. Ain't them gorgeous? Am I looking pretty? I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.